I'm John Bow and I've been in the motor racing and automotive world for over 40 years. I'm here today to check out the X-Force, the Varax exhaust system for the new Ford Mustang V8. I've driven it very briefly, but I want to find out what makes it all work. There's a special technology now available called SmartBox. So we'll go and check it out on the hoist, see what it's about, and then we'll take it for a ride and listen to the sound. Let me now introduce you to the SmartBox technology. This system now operates your Varax exhaust. It can be as simple or as difficult as you want it to be. First of all, we have a manual mode. Starts off with a closed valve in the system, and it virtually sounds like a standard car. Then we can have 25% bypass, which is nice and burbly and sporty. We go to 50% and so on until we have a full open. It's not race car like, but it almost is. It's incredibly sporty, growly, sophisticated noise. I'll just show you here in 25% increments, but it actually can be adjusted by 1 degree at a time. You can also have a matrix mode, which takes it into a whole new sphere. We've put it on preset 1. You have 4 presets. You can have the RPM set wherever you want. That instigates the new noise. So in this case, we'll have it set at 3,000 revs. You can have a throttle position, which will have it, say, 35% throttle, and we can have a speed, which is whatever stage the exhaust actions. We can also then preset setting 2, same setting 3, same setting 4. So you can have 4 different styles of sound. If you're on the highway or on the freeway and you happen to notice a little bit of noise drone, which is very rare but occasionally happens at a certain rev range, particularly in automatic cars, you can just push band snap, which totally eliminates it. So this, honestly, this is the most sophisticated, revolutionary thing to happen to the exhaust world in all my life. I'm going to show you this on my iPad, but normally I would do it on an iPhone, and the app can be downloaded free of charge. Okay, now we're at the back end of the car now. These little mufflers hold all the good workings of the Varax system, which is the valve that opens and controls how much noise, how much gas comes out. It either diverts it through the more muffling, or it just lets it out to be noisy. Or when I say noisy, sweet noise. The internal valves are controlled by this little engine, which is then in turn controlled by the SmartBox, which is inside the car. It's on your mobile phone. You can open it, close it, have it anywhere you want, whenever you want. So you can actually make whatever noise that suits you. Beautifully made, all polished stainless steel. It's got slip joints here so it all fits properly. A lot of the problem with aftermarket exhaust systems is that they rattle and rub on things and they don't fit very well. This is beautifully constructed and it is very easy to fit. If we walk forward, there's a middle muffler, all polished stainless steel. It will last the life of the car and then some. It's all custom fit. Further up we've got the 100 cell cats. A standard car has got 400 cell, and the internal cats have ceramic inside them, which actually deteriorates with age. These are all steel, stainless steel, 100 cell, so they flow really well, give really good performance. Further up, the whole header system is all tuned length and made just like a race car system. You can see how it's bent, all mandrel bent. It's beautiful. It's actually a work of art. You could have it in your mantelpiece and it'd look good. The central muffler here is all Siamese, which is racing practice. It's all 304 grade stainless steel, which is very, very high grade, much better than OE manufacturers use. As you can tell, it's all very polished. It's almost too nice a finish to drive it on the road. I couldn't imagine driving it in the rain, it'd ruin all that beautiful shine. We've got dual exhaust outlets. This particular one is black chrome. So some people like black chrome, some people like polished stainless. If you look down the pipe, you can see part of the system. Very hard to see it up there. If you've got it all quietened down, the exhaust is routed through that hole there, so it's still about the same noise, same volume noise as a standard system, but it's actually more sweet because of the sound of the stainless. Stainless gives a really good sound. So that's enough talking about the X-Force system. Let's go and see how it drives and how the Varax really sounds. Oh, how good is that? As you can see, the weather's turned against us, but the X-Force Varax system sounds superb. For more information, visit the X-Force website or your authorised X-Force dealer.